Stuck on what to say in IELTS Speaking Part 2? Want to impress the examiner with native level fluency, natural storytelling, and perfect structure? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to answer any cue card question using the Band 9 strategy, sample answers, grammar tips, and phrases you can use again and again. Let's go. You'll get a card with a topic, usually asking you to describe a person, place, object, memory, or situation. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you have to speak for up to 2 minutes without interruption. Sounds stressful? Don't worry, with the right formula, it becomes much easier. Use P.E.E.L structure. It gives you a natural flow like a native speaker. Point. For example, I'd like to talk about. Explain. It happened about 2 years ago. Example. At first, everything was normal. Link. Looking back, it taught me a lesson. One event I'll never forget is my cousin's wedding 2 summers ago. The ceremony was beautiful, then out of nowhere the power went out. It was the last thing we expected and everyone totally caught off guard. But instead of panicking, the groom grabbed the Bluetooth speaker and started singing. People lit up their phones, sang along, and it became magical. To this day, I still get goosebumps. It was once in a lifetime experience. You don't need perfect grammar. You need natural grammar. Use past tenses like I was walking or it happened suddenly. Use short sentences for emphasis, and then boom, the lights went out. Try these idioms instead of boring phrases. It threw me off instead of it surprised me. I was walking on air instead of I was happy. Write down 10 phrases you love and practice using them in different topics. These are goals. Practice speaking out loud, even if you're alone. Record yourself. Focus on sounding real, like you're telling a story to a friend. Don't memorize word-for-word answers. Memorize flexible phrases and structures. That's what Band 9 students do. Remember, IELTS Speaking Part 2 is your moment to shine. The examiner wants to hear your story, your voice. Use the P.E.E.L formula, upgrade your vocabulary with idioms, and don't forget to have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. See you in the next one.